Hello friends, today we are going to start maths lesson number 6, that is the factorization of algebraic equation. For this we have to consider a quadratic equation which is given by ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now to find out the factors, first we have to find out the product. The factors whose product value has to be a into c, okay, and the factors and the sum of the factors should be the middle term, that is b value. Now we will solve practice set 6.1. First problem is x square plus 9x plus 18. Okay, now if I compare this with ax square plus bx plus c, then the value of a for this equation is 1, value of b is 9, and the value of c is 18. Now I have to find out the factors in such a way that the product of that factors should be, product value has to be a into c. For this case it will be 1 into 18, that is factors whose product has to be 18, and the factors, if I add that two factors, then the sum value has to be 9. Okay, now find out the value or find out the factors for which the product has to be 18 and its sum should be 9. Now we will check in which table I can get 18. 2 9s are 18. Okay, my product has to be 18. 2 9s are 18. My product will fulfill, but their addition maybe 11, or if I subtract this 2 from 9, then the answer will be 7. So these two factors I can't write. Next, 3 6 are 18. Correct? 3 6 are 18. My product 18 and their sum is 9. Correct? This is sum and this is the product. Right? So I can write these two factors 3 and 6. So how to write that now? We should write, I will erase this part now. Okay, you understand how to find out the product, how to find out the factors for 18, and the same value will give the sum as 9. So I will write down x square, my product value was 3x plus 6x plus 18. Correct? Instead of 9x, I will write down the factors. Now after this writing, you will just make two groups. So within this two terms, which is a common factor? I can see x is a common factor in both the terms, right? So I will just write down x outside the bracket, and for the first term, if my x is outside, what is remaining? 1x plus, if 1x is outside, then for the second term 3 is remaining. Now we will consider next group, 6s plus 18. So I can remove 6 from these two terms, right? 6 will be a common factor from these two terms. So if I remove 6, so what is remaining here? X plus, now I have to remove 6 from 18, means I have to divide that 18 by 6. What will be the answer? 6 3s are 18. Correct? in one column and another column will contain x from this term. X plus 3 is outside, plus x plus 3 is outside, and the remaining term is 6. So the factors for x square plus 9x plus 18 is x plus 3 into x plus 6. Okay, now we will go for another problem, second problem, that is x square minus 10x plus 9. X square minus 10x plus 9. This is the second question. Now I have to find out again factors for which the product value should be a into c. What is a? A is 1 into, what is c? C is the last value, that is 9. Okay, a is the coefficient of x square. So here I can see only 1. Nothing is written, means it is 1. So the product value should be 9 and the sum should be b value. Okay, so what is b in this case? That is the middle term. So the b value is minus 10. Because I have compared this equation with ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so b is minus 10 because for b it has positive value. So to get that, I will consider b as minus 10. Okay, now I have to find out the factors in such a way that the product should be 9 and sum has to be minus 10. Now 3 3s, I know 9 comes into which table? 3 3s are 9. First I will find out 3 into 3, 9 is correct, but whether the sum is minus 10, no, I could not get. If I add this, I will get 6. If I subtract these two terms, then I will get 0, or if I subtract these two terms, then I will get minus 6. So no combination is allowed for 3 into 3. So again, for which value 3 3s are 9 is neglected. So after that, 9 1s are 9, correct? 9 1s are 9. But 9 plus 1, answer is 10. But I need minus 10 and my product is plus 9. Okay, I need minus 10 as the sum and plus 9 as my product. So what should I do? I will add minus 9 and minus 1. We know that minus multiplied by minus, answer is always positive, and the addition of two negative values will be the addition and that value will have negative sign, correct? So using these two laws, I can use minus 9 into minus 1, my answer will be plus 9. Minus 9 plus minus 1, my answer will be minus 10. So I can use these two factors, correct? So now I will write down these two factors. X square minus, instead of middle term, I will write down the factors, that is minus 9x minus x, that is minus 1x plus 9. Okay, now make two terms. Okay, so again within these two terms, which is a common factor, I can write x outside this two term. Okay, so what is remaining over here? X. For the second term, minus sign, and from the second term, if I took x outside, then the remaining term is 9. Okay, now next, minus sign. Next, what is common between x plus 9? Nothing is common, so I can just write down 1. Okay, so within bracket, what will be the common factor? Here x, now I have 9, but what will be the middle sign? It will be negative, because if I open this bracket, minus minus will get plus 9. Okay, so x plus 9 from x minus 9 from this term, from the second term again x minus 9. So I can write x minus 9 common. So the remaining term from the first is x minus, from the second 1 is remaining. So these are the factors for x square minus 10x plus 9. I hope you understand both the questions and how to find out the factors for the quadratic equation. Okay, if you have any comment, please write down in the suggestion box.